what happens when you don't have a spare keyboard with you, or when you don't have a time to go and buy a new keyboard, but some of the alphabetic keys on your keyboard is not functioning? Say you spill some coffee on it, or somehow it's not functioning. Well, let me introduce to you a function and alternative ways to type this key, which is called alternate code, or ALT code, like the ALT on your keyboard. Now, besides that, you must have a numeric keyboard as shown in the screen in order to use the function. And if you don't have that, if you're using a laptop, then you are required to use the numeric key, which is on your laptop if you have it, as shown in the screen. So you can press the FN, and then after that you activate the numeric keys on your keyboard, and you can use that as an alternative. Now, if you does not have the numeric keyboard or that function on your laptop, then unfortunately you can't use this function. Now let's move on. Now, why do I keep opening this ASCII table, this ASCII table? Well, in order to know how to use the ALT function, you gotta know the decimal as well as the symbol, so it correlates. So 49 is 1, 69 is E. I'll show you an example later on. So you can visit this website, which will be linked in the description below. So you can see from here 32, the decimal, until 127. So 127, as you can see here, is delete. So there are multiple codes as well as symbols for you to use in the function. Now let's get on with the example. So right here in my notepad, I have write a sentence called I just learned a function called ALT function. So our goal here is to type ALT without using the character keys on our keyboard, but using the ALT function. So let's check. Right, now we see A is 65, 76 for L, and lastly 84 for T. So let's go ahead and try it. Now I'm going to hold my ALT and then pressing 65 on my numeric keypad, 65, and I release ALT and A. Now next is holding ALT again and pressing 76. That's L. Lastly, holding ALT and pressing 84. And there you go. I just typed ALT using the ALT function. So in conclusion, we have used 65 for A, 76 for L, and 84 for T. That's right here. So do try it out yourself and play around a bit. Hope this helps, and thank you for watching.